When gold makes a strong move, either you're gonna see gold go up or even go down. It doesn't fill every price in between. That unfilled space is called a fair value gap, and it's one of the simplest ways to trade gold with precision. Example of a fair value gap is something like this. It comprises of three candle patterns. So the initial move, and the momentum move, and the current move, which is the third candle. And usually, the middle candle is not being filled, especially when there is momentum in the market. And usually, when institutions are involved in the markets, these fair value gaps are often opportunities for us to go either long if we are on a bullish market environment, or we could use this as an opportunity for shorts if ever that the market is on a downside move. So in this case, how do we identify, or how are we going to trade these kinds of moves? So first, we need to identify what's the premise in the market. We need to identify the three candle pattern that has happened in the market. So we need to look for a strong impulsive move on gold, clear momentum candles, moving in one direction, and that's usually where an unbalance forms, just like this. So this is also what we call a volume imbalance. The next thing that we'd like to identify is, of course, the gap itself. You need to mark the gap, and the next thing that you like to do is wait for the return of price. Either you will set a limit order once price comes back, or what I usually do is once price comes back at this level, I wait for confirmation on a lower time frame and wait for a breakout. So you could use this on other time frames, but in this case, we're seeing that price has been reacting nicely on our fair value gaps. So this is a simple technique that you could use. Instead of buying on breakouts or chasing price, let gold come to you using fair value gaps. And fair value gaps gives you a clear zone where price is likely to react. So if you'd like to learn more how I trade the markets, check out our website, ACY Securities. And don't forget to follow me in our FX Street profile, and at the same time on our YouTube channel.